we are here, sitting here. It's all empty. So Sid is over there. So Sid, did you enjoy the ride?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's
You had fun with your Z.
Yeah, it was cool. Cool call.
The weather is good and it is very empty out here in Digha. It's a perfect time to visit Digha. And as you can see, they are doing a lot of renovation. And there's the Isle of Digha, which is coming up. So right now we're going to head to Wow Momo over there. We've seen that the shop is open. We're going to have some Momo. And then we are going to head back towards Jaleswar and go towards Kolkata. And if you go straight, this road leads to Old Digha. So this is a very short road, only around 5 minutes from Old Digha to Digha Mohona. Highway. So we linked up to the highway and from here we'll go straight towards Kolaghat. And the bikes over here. That's my bike. And there's the seaside. So we had an amazing ride this stretch. at Kolaghat and the time is 1500 hours and we're returning now. The roads are pretty empty. This is a very good ride to Digha and back, and we had fun. Amazing on the bikes. An amazing ride to Digha, me and Sid, and we took the Z and the KTM, and it was approximately 450 to 500 kilometers, and the ride was really good, very nice.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, so see you in the next ride.